Imagine waking up one day, excited and eager to head to work, only to hear that the position you love, that you've poured your heart into, is being replaced by artificial intelligence. The gut punch is real, isn't it? A mix of disbelief, fear, and confusion swirls within you. This is the new reality many HR professionals and job seekers face. It's like standing in the eye of a storm, watching AI unravel everything you thought was secure. But you know what? You're not alone in this battle, and it isn't the end of the road. There's fire in you, a spark that refuses to be snuffed out by machines, no matter how advanced they are. Because here's the thing. Buried beneath the cold, mechanical exterior of AI is opportunity, a chance to rethink, reinvent, and rise above. This is your moment to shine brighter than ever. AI may seem like it's swooping in at the speed of light, but you're faster, you're smarter, you're more determined than a million lines of code could ever be. I know it feels like a David and Goliath story, but remember, David won. How? By being strategic, by facing the challenge head-on, and by believing in human potential. The world is changing at a dizzying pace. Each day, technology takes another step forward, seeming more like a tidal wave ready to crash over everything in its path. But see, human ingenuity lies not in fighting the wave, but learning to ride it. When it feels like AI is replacing HR roles faster than anyone expected, what if that's the universe nudging you to adapt and evolve? What if this moment, right here, right now, is your call to action? First, let's talk about empathy. That deep human touchpoint AI simply can't replicate. It's your secret weapon. People are more than data points and resumes. They are stories, dreams, and lives intertwined with one another. As someone in HR, your ability to connect with another human soul, to understand their needs, fears, and aspirations, is something AI can never touch. Harness that. Build connections so strong that technology will seem hollow in comparison. Next, let's dive into strategic thinking. The algorithms of today are quick and efficient, sure, but they lack the subtlety and creativity of a human mind at work. Don't shy away from new tools like AI. Instead, embrace them. Harness them to make more strategic decisions, and let them handle the mundane while you focus on what really matters: people. Develop skills that machines can't, those intricate human challenges that require nuance, understanding, and insight. Combine your heart with technology, and you'll be unstoppable. Now let's pivot to learning. In a world where everything shifts in the blink of an eye, continuous learning isn't just an asset, it's a necessity. The beauty of being human is our intrinsic thirst for knowledge, for growth. Start today, not tomorrow, today. Immerse yourself in the evolving realms of AI, so when the world moves, you move faster. Equip yourself with knowledge that not only safeguards your future, but enhances it. You'll find that the horizon, once foggy and uncertain, becomes clear and promising. Let's not forget innovation. You've heard it before, the only constant in life is change. So why not lead that change? Bring creativity and innovation into every corner of your work. Challenge every process, every system, and see where fresh ideas can breathe new life. Push the boundaries of what's possible, because that is what humans do best. The adrenaline of discovery, it's your fuel, your lifeblood. Finally, build a network. Surround yourself with forward thinkers, those who are not just prepared for the future, but are actively shaping it. Collaboration over competition, that's the mantra of this new era. Together, you are a powerhouse, an unstoppable force. Share insights, learn from one another, and create a community that thrives on collective growth and shared success. I know this transition feels like a wild, untamed beast, but you're not going to be conquered by it. You're going to be the one who tames it. Humans created AI, and it is humans who will define its role in the workforce. As we grasp the potential of AI, Never forget the irreplaceable value you bring to the table: emotion, empathy, conscience, and creativity. Embrace the change. Ride the wave. You are not just an employee in HR or a job seeker trying to break in. You are the heartbeat of the industry, and this moment is yours to seize. Set the bar, change the game, and let the world bear witness to what incredible feats human resilience can achieve alongside technology. Because when the dust settles, and it always does, it's the human touch, your touch, that makes all the difference.